In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a custom currency index in TradingView. If you've been trading or analyzing markets for a while, you know that understanding currency indices can provide significant insights into relative currency strength. While popular indices like the DXY are readily available, creating your own custom index gives you the flexibility to tailor it according to your specific market analysis needs. First things first, open up the TradingView platform. If you aren't already familiar with TradingView, it's a powerful tool for chart analysis, offering a dynamic space where you can explore a variety of markets. Once you're in, navigate to any chart, setting the stage for your custom index creation. Now turn your attention to the symbol search bar, which you'll find conveniently located at the very top of your chart. This is where the magic will begin. Click on it to start inputting data. Your task now is to enter a formula comprising the currency pairs you wish to include in your index. It's important to note that you'll connect these currency pairs with an asterisk, which TradingView recognizes as a multiplication sign. For example, if your custom index will include the euro, pound, and Australian dollar against the US dollar, you will type something like EURUSD, GBPUSD, AUDUSD into the search bar. As you create your formula, be sure to maintain consistency throughout your currency pairs. This is crucial when you're building an index, such as a dollar index, and it involves pairs where the USD is the base currency, like USD-KD. To keep everything uniform, you'll need to invert such pairs. So USD-KD should be entered as KUSD in your formula. This ensures that the base currency consistently appears on the left, aligning all pairs correctly for accurate index representation. Once you have your formula neatly laid out in the search bar, it's time to bring your custom index to life. Simply press the Enter key. This action tells TradingView to compute the composite chart representing your very own custom currency index, manifesting your vision on the screen. Occasionally, you may notice that the resulting index appears inverted compared to standard indices like the DXY. This is nothing to worry about, and it often can be adjusted quite easily. If you find that the look is not quite what you expected, you can modify the scale to better match typical indices appearances. This step is optional but can enhance the readability and comparative analysis of your custom index, making it feel more intuitive if you're used to standard indices. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to crafting your custom currency index in TradingView. By following these instructions, you can tailor currency indices precisely to your market analysis strategy, giving you enhanced insight and sharper trading strategies. Give it a try and see how it can refine your approach to Forex trading.